Yeah. So dear student, today I am going to teach you about. So dear student, today I Rakesh Jain from Gambia University. Today I am going to teach you about how the proportional integral controller increases the order of the system. How the proportional integral controller increases the order of the system. So see it very carefully. I am talking about proportional integral controller. So that is also known as PI controller. PI controller. So it is also known as proportional integral controller. Proportional integral controller. First, I just show you once again the same slide which I have already been taught you in the last lecture, in which we just see that what is the basic comparison between the proportional integral, proportional derivative, proportional controller. So see this slide. In case of proportional integral controller, it acts as a low pass filter. Rise time is decreases in case of proportional integral controller. It eliminates the steady state error. The overshoot is increases in case of proportional integral controller. It settling time is increases, and also it increases the order of the system. So now I am going to prove that how the proportional integral controller increases the order of the system. The order of the system, how it increases the order of the system. So then let's see this one. So in case of any controller, we know that there is a requirement of two things. One is three things. One is the controller, one is the plant, and the third one, that is a feedback. Okay. So let's suppose my input is, let's suppose this is my input, which is RS. Let's suppose this is my input, which is RS. Let's suppose this is my input RS. This is a summing junction where the feedback signal and the input both will be add or subtract. So this is a summing junction. Now the next block should be the controller block. The next block should be the controller block. And as I have already been told you that in case of proportional integral controller, both the proportional, that's why the proportional constant Kp, and the integral constant, because we know that the Laplace transformation of any integral just to generate a divide by s term will be there. So Ki by s, where Ki is the constant of integration. So Kp and Ki by s, because proportional and integral both are available in this controller. So in case of controller, we have to use two things. One is the proportional term and one is the integration term. Both will be added to each other. So the proportional constant will be Kp. So the proportional constant will be Kp. Okay. And the second one is integral. So we know that the integration Laplace is divided by s term. So one the constant Ki, K for the constant term and I for the subscript to use for integration. Divide by s term will be there because the Laplace transformation will generate a divide by s in case of integration. So Ki by s. And both are present, so proportional and integral. Because both are present, so they will be added to each other. They will be added to each other in a summing junction. Both will be added to each other. Okay. In a summing junction. So both will be added to each other in a summing junction. Then the next one is your controller. Next one is your plant. One is the controller, one is the plant. So what should be the plant? The plant is always same. Like in the case of P controller, like in the case of PI controller, Similarly, in this case also, in PD controller also, the controller is safe, and that is omega n square, the omega n square divided by s square plus twice del omega n s. S square plus s square plus twice del omega ns. Just type in message box. If you understand everything, then just type in message box, yes, sir. If you understand, then type in message box, yes, sir. Ambedkar, if you understand, then type in message box, yes, sir. So I just show you k del square plus twice del omega ns. This plant is always same in all kind of controller. Twice del omega ns plus omega n square plus omega n square. Okay. So omega n square upon s square plus twice del omega ns. Sorry. I just forgot to write down here omega ns. So I just write down. Here omega n should be there. Twice del omega ns. So here it is omega. Okay. So omega n square upon s square plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square is my plant. Always same like the other controller. And the output is my CS. And the output is my CS. And the feedback, we consider a unity feedback over there. We consider a unity feedback over there with negative feedback. With negative feedback. So I just write down here negative sign. With this negative feedback, some part of the output will come at the input. Okay, that's fine. Now we have to find out what is the transfer function, and with the help of that, we will prove that it increases the order of the system. It increases the order of the system. So let's check. First of all, this Kp and Ki by S both will be added to each other because they are in summing junction. They are in summing junction. So this will be converted into a single block in which Kp and Ki by S both will be added to each other. And Ki by S both will be added to each other. Then they will be, the diagram will be same. Only this block will be converted, which I mentioned from the red color. Only this block I solve that they will be added to each other so that Kp plus Ki by S term we will find out. Now this block is cascade with the second block. These two blocks are in cascade. So they will be converted, they will be multiplied by each other. They will be multiplied by each other definitely. So Kp plus Ki by S when multiplied by omega n square upon S square plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square. Okay. And in feedback, there is unity feedback. In feedback, there is unity feedback. That's why what will be my CS by RS? I know that the CS by RS, the CS by RS that is known as transfer function can easily be find out with the help of the block diagram reduction technique. Feedback rule that the CS by RS is equal to forward gain. What is the forward gain? this term which I mentioned from this brown color, this term Kp plus Ki by S, which is a solution of this block, these two blocks. And the second block, omega n square upon S square plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square will be multiplied by each other because they are in cascade. So Cs by Rs is equal to Kp plus Ki by S, Kp plus Ki by S multiplied by omega n square divided by S square plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square. Okay. So these two blocks will be ready. Divided by 1 plus or minus. Because I use a negative feedback here, definitely I have to use a plus sign over there. So 1 plus. Again, 1 plus forward into feedback. But in case of feedback, only 1 is there because unity feedback is there. That's why again the same term will be come at the denominator side. That is multiplication of these two terms. Now we have to solve this equation. So I am going to teach you about how to solve this equation. First of all, just take a snapshot and send me on my mail. Just take a snapshot and send me on my mail. Yes. Yes. Just take a snapshot and send me on my mail. Okay, very good. Now see this one. I am going to solve you in front of you how to solve this. So now we have to prove that what is in our mind, that we have to prove that it increases the order of the system. Now see, I just remove this upper term. Ashish, if you send me the snapshot, just write down in message box, yes sir. If you send me the snapshot, then just write down in message box, yes sir. Yes, very good. Very good. Now see, I just remove the upper term. And now we have to solve this equation. Very carefully. See this. Now see, Kp plus Ki by S. So if I take a LCM, then what will happen? It's Kps plus Ki divided by S. Okay. So I just put here. In the upper term, it will be Kps plus Ki. Kps then plus Ki. Divided by S will be there. So I just put divided by S. And it will multiply with the second term. The second term is as it is. I cannot do anything with the second term. So the second term will be as it is. Okay. And also in the denominator, Kps plus Ki, Kps plus Ki. So in the denominator term, again 1 plus kps plus ki divided by s. Which is multiplied by the same term omega n square upon s square plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square. Okay, now see. We have to solve, we take the LCM and find out the answer. Now see very carefully this last step and we will prove that it increases the order of the system. Now see very carefully. I remove the upper term, this upper part, to show you the solution of this lower part. Now after this step, after this, we have to take the LCM. We have to take the LCM. Now see very carefully what what will be the LCM. The LCM of the denominator term and the numerator term will be same. So they will be cancelled with each other. And at the upper side, we only find out kps plus ki multiplied by omega n square. Multiplied by omega n square. kps plus ki, that is multiplied by omega n square. kps plus ki. kps plus ki, that is multiplied by omega n square. That is multiplied by omega n square. Divided by when I take the LCM, see very carefully, when I take the LCM, this s will be multiplied by this term. So s multiplied by the whole term. So first of all, we will find out s cube. The equation now start from s cube instead of square. It start from s cube. Remember this thing. Plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square as it is. Twice del omega ns plus omega n square as it is. Wait for a while. Let me clear. So s square plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square s cube plus twice del omega n now square because s will be multiplied. So now this s will be square. Kindly wait for a while. Okay. And kindly wait for a while. Plus this kps plus ki also multiplied by omega n square. This kps plus ki will be multiplied by omega n square. Okay. So now this will be your new equation, and you see now the equation start from the s cube. Now the equation start from the s cube. The order of the system we find whenever by the s term of the denominator. S term of the denominator. Always we compare with second order equation because s square it start from s square plus twice del omega ns plus omega n square. But now this term, in this term, the denominator start from s cube, so it is a third order system. So I think you understand this how to find out how the proportional integral controller convert the order of the system. It increases the order of the system because s cube is there. It means second order system convert into a third order system. So thank you very much.